So yesterday I posted a video showing you guys how I cut this scouring stick into smaller pieces so you don't have to waste the whole thing. So today I'm going to show you guys how I use that scouring stick to clean the inside of an oven. So here we go. So this is the oven that I'll be cleaning today, and it's not too bad, but I can still show you guys how I use these tools to be able to clean this oven. So these are the items that I'll be using. I have microfiber towels. I have some paper towels. This is just Dawn and water. Of course, the scouring stick. This is just the pieces that I cut up. My scraper, it's a blade on one side and it's a scraper on the other side, and then some gloves. So I have my gloves on, and I did decide to go ahead and just use plain water so you guys can see what I'm doing. With the Dawn, you weren't able to see it. So spray it down. And I'm not doing the glass, I'm just doing the side of this oven door. Got a piece of that pumice. Scouring stick, pumice stone, same thing. And I'm gonna wet it too. Keep it flat. I saw a lot of people in the comments saying that it scratches a lot of things up. I keep mine flat. I'm not using the edges. Just keep it flat. That's just from gently pressing. Now, on the glass, make sure it's wet. Take my blade. Now I'm going to do that throughout the whole oven clean, and I'll show you the results. And this is the result. Now I am a solo cleaning business owner, and I'll tell you something. I don't use the pumice stone in the complete stove all the time. Now, if there's a client that cannot stand the smell of this Easy Off cleaner, that's when I'll go in and use the pumice stone and use the blade with the scraper. If they can handle that Easy Off smell, opening up the windows, cutting on the vents, then I would spray that down, let it sit for at least an hour, wipe it off. Anything that's left that won't come off, any stubborn stains that won't come off, is when I would use the blade scraper to see if it'll come off first, and then use the scouring stick / it's a pumice stone to remove any extra. So I hope that helps you guys. Sorry the video was so long. Have a good day, and thank you guys for all the views on the previous video. I really appreciate it. Have a good day. Oh, and what kind of content do you guys like to see? Drop me a comment and let me know what you like to see. Okay, bye.